stuffed squash blossoms. These are the most amazing summer delicacy. Start off by grating a really high quality Italian cheese. Mix it together with 1 small tub of ricotta, an egg, and a pinch of salt. Stuff it into a Ziplock bag, cut the tip, and get ready for stuffing. Hold that blossom with your left hand while you're piping with the right. Do not overfill it. It'll make a huge mess when you fry it. So less is more. Don't do these too far in advance of frying or they will get a bit soggy. Give it a little twist at the top and set it to the side. Next, combine flour and soda water. Give it a quick whisk and get ready for dipping. So you're gonna take the blossom by the stem, dip it into the batter, lightly lay it down in that nice hot oil, and let them cook. As soon as they start to brown on the bottom, you're gonna need to flip them over. It's gonna be very loud, so prepare yourself. They're faster on the second side, so watch them carefully, take them off, put them onto a paper towel, give them a little sprinkle of kosher salt. The last thing you need to do is make a fast tomato sauce. Get a couple fresh tomatoes, dice them up, a little olive oil, a little garlic paste, and you have a delicious, amazing treat. Follow me for more fast favorites.